Good morning. Managed to cut myself this morning. Or, no, I think it's about noonish. I'm gonna set you up better. Didn't film this because I was eager to see it run, but pulled the carburetor off the Honda. Almost clean as a feather. Did find a fuel leak. It's coming from the tank, but I got gas in the carburetor. I dribbled gas in the carburetor. I put gas in the fuel tank. I don't see any leaks anywhere whatsoever. I did break one of the gaskets on the carburetor. So, oh, this is from Lowe's. Huh. The deck does have a hole in it, so it's bad. The top, I don't know, I keep oiling it and stuff. I'm not getting anywhere, so, well, I'm not getting anywhere with this top. Backfires a lot. I think that has to do with the carburetor. Maybe the choke is on. Oh, that's right. This is one of those auto chokes. But it's like it sits since I dribbled gas in it. Wonder if the... I don't know. Still... I don't know about this. I see shit coming out of the muffler. I wonder if there's nest in the muffler. It ain't even firing now. Well, I may put this on the back burner. Is the fuel even on? I don't even know if the fuel's not on. I may go ahead and take that carburetor or muffler off. And then, the fuel wasn't even on. Well, this is what I'm going to do next. I'm going to go ahead and pull that muffler off. At least try to. I've never taken a muffler off one of these before. I can tell you the truth, never really worked on Hondas all that much. Always had my buddy do it because I'm not a fan of them. I mean, I like they last. I'm just not a fan of. I don't like working on them either. I don't know kind of rather work on them than working on it. It's a Tacoma, because those are good. They're nice when they run. Get my sitting post. Yeah, and I'm not working at the house today. This was a spur of a moment. It was a spur of the moment kind of deal because I was out getting the mail and decided, well, maybe I should go ahead and I was going to pull the carburetor off. And I decided, well, let's go further. So far, every nut on this thing is pretty much the same. Working with 11 millimeter. Smell gas now. I wonder if one of the valves is off. If it is, then, well, that's out of my expertise. The reason why I say that is because I've never worked with valves before. I don't have the tool to check for clearance. So then this one might have to be on the back burner until spring. There's an Ian. Are we leaking gas somewhere? I mean, I know I got a thing of gas over there, unless it's leaking in my drain pan. I did I did go to Walmart and I ordered picked up the filter for the Briggs Revival. God damn, I smell gas like it's just pouring out of next to me. No, not no oil yet. Yeah, it smells like someone's actually dumping gas right next to me. I don't see nothing. Oh yeah, I see it. The carburetor's leaking. Well, how's it leaking if the fuel line is off? I don't know where it's leaking at. Well, I have to put this on the back burner. I may end up putting it under that lean-to over there. It's just a heat shield. So like I said, if it is gonna have to wait until spring, then I'm putting it under the lean-to. Then I'll have to somehow put it under there. Don't look like it's too wet under there. Hate to leave it outside, but I want to try to keep all the good stuff inside. And as of right now, this thing's a hunk of junk to me. I hate to say that, but my expertise is the old Briggs and Stratton. They run forever. Because I pulled one out of the woods that shoot. It had vines growing all over it. And there is a significant amount of oil and crap in the muffler. So I guess we'll go ahead and put that back together. Won't put the heat shield back on right away, so just because you don't need that to get it running. I mean, there is this Honda in the shed for parts, but it's not mine. Since this deck is somewhat complete, may use this one, may ask nicely if I can use that other motor on this, because I know it's good, and just use this as a parts engine. As you can see, it's firing, but it's backfiring through the muffler. To the carburetor, and I had a generator that did that, and it had a valve issue. It had a valve problem, and that was the cause of the whole issue. And those generators are known to have valve issues anyways. I never had a valve issue on a Honda, and it will cause it to backfire. Let's address this fuel leak. Oh yeah. I don't know how it's leaking because the fuel is off. I mean, it's leaking good. Like 4 or 5 drips a second. Unless the switch is bad. I mean, I was told it had a fuel leak. I know the float ain't stuck because I checked everything. Now that just... right now I got gasoline all over the handle. Oh well. Should have made it go in first. Well, let's get these screws out of here. Well, since obviously it's getting fuel into the float bowl. And now, if this is a fail, I'm working on the other engine. Probably gonna backfire on me again. Does nothing. Fuel is on, but it's not wanting to do anything. Now it's starting to pick back up again. Well, guys, thank you for watching. I'm gonna put this lawnmower on the back burner, where I kind of don't have a choice because I need parts. Then I got to talk it over with my father-in-law, he's a big mechanic and he's good at what he does. See what he thinks. If me and him should dig into the valves, or just, I don't know. I mean, the deck has a hole in it, but I might be able to take this to the shop and have it welded just to save it. And I don't know what to do now. The carburetor's clean as a whistle, but it's leaking bad. And now we're not getting no fired at all. Alright, so thank you for watching. If you have a comment, please leave.